Okay, so I just got this Gilmer drive installed. Figured I'd get one, give it a try. I'm gonna fire it up here in a minute to for the first time, see how it works. But I did have to make a few little tweaks here and there. So on the crank pulley, I did have to get longer bolts, of course, which are 3/8, I think 3/8-24 fine thread. And I got 3-inch long. I had to get Allen heads because a normal bolt head is really tight in there. So Allen head, there's lots of room. I did have to make a spacer. You can see down there. I can't remember how wide that is, but I had to make it so it lines up with the power steering pump here. So now that lines up really good. I do have to get a lot shorter belt for the power steering because the belt's way too long, but I'll figure that out, see what I need for that. Water pump pulley went on, no issues. Alternator one went on, no issues. But when I went to put the belt on, it was too short. It was about 1.5 inches too short, and I already had bought a spare belt, so I didn't want to go buy 2 more belts. So for the next size up, so what I did, instead of slotting this bracket more, what I did is I cut like 1.5 inches or something off the end of this and then drilled a new hole, and basically that just brought the bracket down, so then the slot was in a better space. Doesn't affect nothing, doesn't change nothing other than the position of the slot. And then I was able to get the belt on and I got it tightened up. So now I'll throw the battery in and fire her up and see how it works. I also haven't started the car in like almost 5 months, 4 or 5 months, because it's winter, so this will kind of be the first start of the year as well. Okay, let's go ahead and see if this thing will fire up. It's been a few days since I made that video of it running, so just a quick update. I did find a power steering belt that fit. Took a few tries. This is the Napa part number for what worked for me, and it is that's the dimensions. So the 25-inch belt that fit really good. And as you can see, it's lined up really well, and with the spacer, and yeah, so it's good to go now. Okay, just a quick mention, this spacer, I remember, it is 1/2 inch. Those are 2 1/4-inch spacers, so that's what I needed. And I'm changing some stuff up here, so video coming soon.